Hello guys, on today's episode we're going to be looking at the 12 volt DC LED deck light system. Very neat product. This is going to be for the bathroom above the tub shower that I've been working on. This here, let's see what kind of ratings. It says style and functional combined with exceptional low power consumptions. IP67 rated waterproof, ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, decking, and all outdoor areas. Completed LED decking, light kits in stainless steel or aluminum. Long lifespan, blah blah blah. Shall we? Shall we? These guys are extremely small, which is what I was aiming for. This hole, about an inch and a half wide. That's it. Bam, bam. Isn't that cool? Comes with 10. So I also picked up extension cable as well when I ordered it. So this is the power supply. I'm going to be putting these in 2 different areas in the bathroom. So it should be a lot of fun. That's the power supply. So that's how you put them together. Just like that. Now there's a little notch. Little thing sticking out here. A little notch on that side. Bada boom. Bada bang. Twist it under. Nice remote. Pull this tab. Bam. Bam. I'm still continuing the chain here. My first time dealing with something like this. Never done it before. If you watch the channel, you know we think outside the box. And I've never seen this done before. So, outside the box. Outside the box. Outside the box. Put that in here. And then this one I would just chain link the next one. Boom, boom, boom. So we're gonna have a total of 6 up there. Oh, put another one on there. See what happens. Bam, bam. There you go. I mean, I got right there, I got 12 foot plus to get to my box, to the first light fixture. And that should be good. Off of that, I should be able to link, because I'm going to have 3 feet in between. So I should have enough wire to jump. You know, I'm going to have and the light fixtures, I'm going to have a, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the first wire is going to come into this, jumps over, jump over, jump over, 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 and then we're going to end that wire. End. Alright guys, what I'm doing now is I'm actually taking the light, we're going to hold it up at the ceiling. It'll be the same ceiling height as the bathroom here in the garage. And I'm going to see what the splash is for this little guy. And see how much light this thing actually covers. So, hopefully you can see everything. I'm going to shut the lights off. Get this guy. There you go. I mean, that one right there lights up the entire bottom. So it's got a very big splash for a little, or 1 inch and a half or inch light. So what that tells me is when I go into the bathroom, what I'm going to do is I'll take and I'll run the 2 in the center, and then I'll space it out from there, whatever cosmetically it looks better. But I'm going to do 2 rows of 3 right above the tub. So, here you go. Look at him. Isn't that cool? Oh, let's do some color. There we go. I'm gonna hang it. There we go. Let's see what it looks like now. I like it. I like it a lot. Then I can go off, on, off, on, off. I like how they come out when they shut off. They're like, zoom, 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 zoom. Awesome. Fun. Fun, fun, fun. I'm going to show you the numbers. Now, I don't know if you guys caught it on video. Probably not, but the reason why I'm doing this in the first place is because these lights I have above the tub are right beneath the shower. See what I'm saying? You can see, so we turn on the lights, it's underneath, or it's above the shower head, which is really stupid if you think about it. You know what I mean? So I don't like it. We did think about running one in the center, but to be honest with you, I don't think it's going to look good. I just think it's going to be incomplete in my eyes. Is that word feng shui? I don't think it's very feng shui. So I'm going to use those other lights, and then I figure we're going to run one center here, then I went off 18 inches here both ways, and then I got 3 of them back there, 3 of them over here. Should be plenty of light. I got this bit from Harbor Freight. Very nice bit for drywall. You definitely need a bit something like this, so that way it will cut right around the drywall, and should be a nice, good, clean hole. Let's do it. You just want to take it nice and slow. This drywall, it's not going to take that hard to. It's not that hard to cut. I just want a nice, clean cut. That makes sense. Oh. I don't know if you guys know this yet, but I hate drywall dust. Whew. So now you can see my 6 holes. Alright guys, I'm just going to let you know what I'm getting into. The reason why I had to remove this whole section of drywall is because the way the wiring is going to work. And also, there's gaskets
gaskets right here. So in order for me to get access to wire it properly, I had to pull this piece of drywall, expose everything, drill some holes through these gaskets. I can't even say it. This plywood along the trusses. And that way I get access to each hole. So. All right, guys, we got it done. And there it is. Take a look. Let's see. I'm going to show you the different colors. Green, blue, yellow, purple. If you want to go white, you go down 10%, 20, 30, 60, 80, 100. That is neat. Now there's no light directly above it. It looks really good. There's no shadow on the bottom, which is nice. So, really happy. Really happy. Red, purple, blue. So, thanks for watching, guys. Yeah, it's so fun. Yeah, really cool. I like it a lot.